Your organization is collecting data, lots of it. Like and subscribe to stay updated on impact intelligence. Surveys, interviews, field notes, documents. So, why does every report still take weeks to produce? Why are analysts spending 80% of their time cleaning before a single insight appears? The data isn't the problem, the collection architecture is. Let's look at why. This is the 80% cleanup tax. Survey tools that collect but don't connect. Spreadsheets that grow but don't link. Emails and PDFs arriving with no unique IDs, no digital trail. Every tool does its part. No tool does the whole job. Someone has to reconcile everything by hand. The numbers are well documented. 80% of analyst time gone to cleaning data, 15 to 20% of participant records lost during manual ID matching. And qualitative coding, reading hundreds of responses, takes weeks of skilled labor. By the time a dashboard reaches stakeholders, the data powering it is already stale. Here's what most organizations are running: 4 separate tools, 4 separate silos, 0 connection. The result? Duplicate records, orphaned responses, and dashboards nobody trusts. Sopact Sense solves this with 10 non-negotiable principles baked into the architecture. 1 platform, clean at source, AI ready from the first touchpoint, 0 data silos. Collection, processing, feedback, reporting, 1 unified pipeline. The promise is simple. Collect data, talk to it, generate instant reports in minutes. Let's walk through exactly how this transformation happens across 6 key steps. Step 1, cleanest source validation. Every field has rules baked in before submission. Notice this: bad data is blocked before it enters. Reporting prep time drops 30 to 50%. Step 2, identity first collection. Every participant gets a unique ID at their first touch point. That ID follows them across surveys, documents, and notes. The record loss gone completely. Step 3, mixed method pipelines. Surveys, interviews, and documents flowing through one system. Notice this: same ID, same timestamp. Sopact collects both quantitative and qualitative together. Step 4, AI-ready structuring. Sopact's AI converts raw text into themes and rubric scores. Weeks of manual coding happen in minutes. Every score links back to the source text, not a black box. Step 5, continuous feedback loops. Dashboards refresh automatically after every session. Teams see what's working mid-program. Participants feel heard in real time. Step 6, living audit-ready reports. Get a designer quality report in under 3 minutes. Every claim is traceable. This is institutional memory, not a quarterly scramble. Here's the transformation: cleaning time from 80% to 0, ID lost to 0, coding to minutes. Clean at source eliminates the cleanup tax. Analysts start with analysis, not reconciliation. Who is this built for? Nonprofits tracking outcomes and impact funds reporting to LPs. Education initiatives and any organization where data needs to become reliable evidence. The problem was never collection volume, it was collection architecture. Sopact gives you the fix. Stop spending 80% of your time cleaning. Start spending it on insights that improve programs. Visit sopact.com/usecase/primary data to book a demo. See the pipeline in 20 minutes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bookmark this playlist. Stop guessing, start knowing.